Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. For those that are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. So today's video, I am actually going to show you guys how to make rosemary water for extreme hair growth. Guys, my hair has grown so much since I think it was August, because I had a full-on cut in August and I completely cut off all my hair. I barely had anything, and ever since I've been using rosemary water plus a few other stuff the hair fertilizer and a hair serum, my hair has gotten so much more thicker and also longer in 4 months or 5 months. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make it and pretty much how I use it. What you need is rosemary. I'm using literally fresh rosemary. I just got this from the garden, and then I also put in a bit of mint, which I just realized I don't even have any in the fridge. I really thought I had some, but I'm just gonna use this by itself today. So let me show you guys how I make my rosemary. Need a pot also to oil it in. So what I like to do is I literally remove the rosemary off the stem. So I just break it straight into the pot like this. As you can see, it's in the pot. Smells so good, guys. I've just filled up this pot with water. I wanted to, because I've got quite a bit of rosemary, I've put quite I think a cup and a bit of water in here. So next thing, I'm gonna put it on the stove, and I'm gonna bring that to boil and simmer that, I think, for about 15 minutes. For me, until it's actually simmering and the water changes color to brown. I'll show you guys as we go. I thought I might give you guys a little bit of how often I use it. So I use rosemary about probably actually, to be honest, if my hair is in braids, I use it every single day, especially if I feel like my scalp is really dry, and to just get a bit of moisture into my hair, I spray it every day, rub that all in, and then I wash it once a week as well. And sometimes I also use rice water to also mix the two together. I've really found that the rosemary water and rice water has really helped. I think the rice water probably thickened my hair up, and then the rosemary then get that, it gets it growing. But I really like using the two combined, and then of course I deep condition my hair all the time. So all right guys, so as you can see, it is actually simmering. It's looking like you can actually see the water simmer. I like to make sure I turn these all over to just make sure all of this is, coming through. And I'm gonna get a spoon to show you guys. So just to show you, the water hasn't quite changed yet, so I'm not going to take it off yet. I need this to completely change color and go to light brown, and right now it hasn't. So that means my water is not ready. So after about 15 minutes, this is what the water looks like now. This is how so now that the rosemary has cooled down water, I've just transferred it into here and into there, and I'm just letting it drip. And once I feel like this has finished dripping, so once I've put the water in there, the rosemary water in there, what I'm gonna do is I've got my spray bottle ready, and I'm gonna transfer these into here. So and this is pretty much what I'm doing. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's my rosemary water, and normally this lasts me probably about a week and a bit, and then I'll make new one. So I got my rosemary water, put it in the bottle, and what I do is then I just in the morning or whenever when I style my hair, I just spray it on there like this, make sure I completely get it everywhere, and I completely rub that in really well, and then pretty much I style my hair as it is. And I also, when I want to deep condition my hair, that's also how I do it. And sometimes if my hair, I honestly, instead of using just normal water, I try and use this to just spray it on like this, and you leave it on, making sure you massage it right into your head, into your scalp, especially your scalp, really making sure you're getting it in there. And that's pretty much how I make my rosemary, and I'll also use it. Anyway guys, I will be making another video on how I make my rice water, and I'll also use that together. But until then, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video guys. Bye guys.